Hi guys, good morning. So, nandito na kami sa BGC sa condo ni Sam. We're going to Dagupan because tayo ay magpupunta sa
Yamaha event in Dagupan. Kita tayo doon. And syempre, ito si Sam.
Yan na.
May kisabay kami.
Bro.
Morning, bro. Hi, good morning.
Yeah, we're vlogging. We're going to
Dagupan.
Kasi naman ba't nakabukas yung flash mo?
Ano ba yung off yan?
Hindi ko alam. Lakas. Anyway, so punta kami Dagupan. Let's go.
Everything natin doon, we're only gonna have 49%. So I have to charge.
So, papuntang Dagupan. So, pauwi, parang sa calculation ko, hindi tayo aabot.
Abot tayo. Tiwala lang.
Think positive lang.
Yes.
Pero ang iniisip ko lang kung saan tayo maghahanap ng charging station along the province.
Meron ba? May nakita ka?
There's Rosario. But that's the a bit 1 hour out of the way. But I mean, if you wanted to have breakfast in
1 hour out of the way.
we can have lunch in Baguio.
Gagi!
And then it's on the way back.
Road trip, ah?
Road trip.
Nanonood pa tayo Mission Impossible, bro.
Yeah. Abot pa rin tayo.
Sino yun? Oh, ano pang papikit-pikit ah. Parang nanimataw, oh. Oh, pang. Uy! Uy!
Pareho ba yun?
Pareho, boy.
Inaantok lang ako.
Hanip yun ah. Okay.
Ito kami sa Monarch.
Saan?
Sa Monarch. Monarch Hotel.
Ay, kuya, Monarch Hotel. Monarch Hotel. Monarch Hotel.
Oh, 22.
Uy! Jason D! Dito ka pala! Okay, so ito na yung sasakyan natin. Yamaha 1 horsepower.
1 horsepower.
Yan tayo. Yan na. 1 horsepower Yamaha. Okay, so nasa ganda ng ano dito, may sunroof. Nasa Monarch Hotel na kami.
Yes, we made it. And we have enough charge, 53%. So,
pero ayaw natin i-risk.
yes, charge na.
Alright. Here. So,
There was a bomb that went off. A bomb here at the hotel.
oh.
Wow. Wow. Go bro, pasok ka na. Pasok ka na.
Go.
Let me experience. Oy! Ay, ang ganda. In fairness, ang bilis mawala ah. Ayun, meron. Nandito na siya banda. Wala na siya sa loob, guys. Andito na siya sa bandang exit. So, nasa kwarto na siya.
Yes. Ayun, bigla, kakaiga lang. So, we're here. Ang saya. Ang saya. So, late na kami. So,
Actually, hindi tayo late. Ang
Hindi
call time natin is 9:30. Ang pagkakaalam natin, the event is 10. So, pero parang nagka-changes yata. They're starting early, so...
so we have to be there.
Okay, are we rolling? Yes, we're rolling.
Sure. Yun ba? So, like, dito na kami sa venue. Mag-ride kami. First time ko mag-ride ng NMAX, bro.
Ako din actually.
First time. And I'm excited kasi sobrang ganda daw talaga nung learning tech version.
NMAX Tech Max.
Yeah, NMAX.
Actually, nung
My
event,
driver has NMAX. You super love it.
yung pinuntahan namin na event ni Gerald sa Baguio noon was about the NMAX Tech Max reveal. Parang yun yata yung pinaka-launching. I didn't get to try it, pero ngayon, yan, mag-drive ko na rin. So, excited. Let's go.
We're so excited.
And we just can't
So, papunta pa rin kami. Pero sa backstage na kami.
And then for the photo of that one, may 5 VIP side pa. Kasi ito kayo tatlo. So I guess since ito yung pinakamalapit dito, there's no sidebar na sa gitna sa dito. So, Johnny Mark, the 5 VIPs, and then Sapper ang photo. After that, kasi yung first time natin, no?
Oo nga pala, first time. Hindi na ba tayo?
Hindi ba tayo lang?
Ito yung NMAX, TechMax.
Gusto ko ng boss ng Yamaha yung jacket niya, kaya bibigay niya. Thank you. Pero how's your drive? Ibang farm?
Pero, takot ako. I don't know kung maging happy ako naman eh. Mas stress ako eh. 53%. Pero kanina, so put my traffic.
Pero meron tayong na-charge dyan?
Ito, may SM. Pwede mo sa SM, but I don't know kung ano.
I had 2 memories coming to my SSR started under the one, 84 coming to Japan. 2018, I fell in love with the bike so much. Love ko. But, kung love ko sa Yamaha, nag-start na
find the event, bro?
Saya.
Saya?
Ikaw?
Sobrang nag-enjoy ako, bro. Natulog ka na?
Saya. I'm a little bit better. I got maybe a 10 to 15 minute nap in. Na kailangan talaga. Kanina, grabe, bagsak ako. Sobra. Pero, better na ngayon.
So, bro, we're done?
Yes, we are done.
So, Mark, are we done?
Yes!
Done. Congratulations. So, Jake and Je, kayo naman. So tapos na kami.
Yes, and they're going to sing a song.
I'm so excited!
Sing a song. Nasaan na yun?
Okay, and now I'm feeling the EV anxiety.
Let's do it!
Because I just checked Waze and it's going to take almost 4 hours to get back.
Kaya natin yan, bro. Let's do it.
And we're on.
With a stop.
Bro, your
How many
gloves.
percentage ng battery?
53%.
Kaya. Ako, tingin ko kaya. I don't know why.
In the traffic?
Pwede nga ice cream.
Saan punta? Apple ulit. Hindi siya makaget over.
Do you feel sleepy?
I feel so sad, bro.
Why? Because of
My phone.
what happened?
It got lasered. Hindi ko kasalanan.
Sir Arnold, sit down here.
Hindi niya fault.
Oh, nagigilty siya kasi si Jessa kasi siya may hawak.
Hindi naman niya fault. Ako naman.
Sir Arnold, sit down.
Oh my gosh! You owe Mark.
Hindi niya fault. Ang may kasalanan actually yung nagsabing camera ko na lang.
Ba't ka?
Sino kaya sabi niya?
Ako.
So hindi ko
Hello! Sige. Thank you.
Halos na ako. Araw na ako nasa labas eh. Hello. Bye-bye. Ingat po.
Sir Ja, thank you so much. Erica, thank you. Our Yamaha family. There you go. Andiyan na. Thank you, Sir Tony. Grabe ka naman. May paayuda naman. Thank you, Sir Tony.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is ano, not working. This is ano, not working.
Yes, thank you, Dagupan, Guanzon family for inviting us. It was a fun event, and yeah, hopefully we come back also next year.
Si Jessa, ano nangyari na kinabahan?
Kinakabahan ako sa battery.
Pero sabi mo kanina, buti na lang hindi ko cellphone, no?
Hoy!
Pero sira pa yung problem ni Jessa.
medyo actually inaalis ko na nga lang sa utak ko for now. Pero sira pa rin yung cellphone ko. But papaayos natin yan. Thank you Apple sa pag-repair nyo ng phone ko for free.
So totoo.
Wow.
Totoong nakakasira.
So guys, totoong nakakasira ng camera and laser. Experienced it
Tried
first
and
time.
tested.
Alright, so yon. So sa next naman ng pupunta ng Guangzhou si Jake tsaka si Gerald. At kakanta sila. Yun ang interesting. Hindi ko alam. Bagay din sila kumanta ng palagi. I can imagine. So, yun. Thank you so much guys. So, until our next vlog.